I am having second thoughts about my 5-year relationship kasi feeling ko ginagaslight ko na lang ang sarili ko para magstay. 5 years na kami ng boyfriend ko but for the past year, naging long distance relationship kami kasi he works and lives in Manila at nasa Laguna naman ako. For the longest time, naging issue ko sa relationship namin ay yung lack of effort niya at pagkukusa. Hindi ko alam kung nonchalant lang ba talaga siya or wala talaga siyang pake sa akin because maybe he's too comfortable and kampante na hindi ko siya iiwan. Noong December, hindi ko na talaga napigilan yung toyo ko and I directly asked him if hindi na ba talaga ako makakatanggap ng flowers sa kanya kahit kailan. And then, the following week on his rest day, nagpunta siya sa amin na may dalang flowers. And nung pag-abot niya sa akin, ang sabi pa niya, "Oh, ayan ha, para tumigil ka na." Nawala agad yung kilig ko and I just felt dumb. One time naman, napadaan kami sa department store at sabi ko, gusto ko ng Ferrero worth 750 just to test if he will buy it for me. Kaso ang sabi niya, sige, sa sahod ko. Nakonsensya naman ako during that time since it's not really my nature na magpabili pero low-key naghintay ako that month. Ang ending, it never happened and I literally have to buy it myself para lang mabawasan ang sama ng loob ko. Hindi ko na ito binring up sa kanya. Nung Valentine's naman, I bought myself flowers kasi I know na wala siyang gift sa akin. Like, it's always been for the past 5 years. Yung gift ko para sa kanya, hindi ko na ni-gift wrap. Inabot ko na lang. Alam ko naman na ako ang mag adjust sa kanya just to feel na, girlfriend pala ako in terms of sweet gestures. Nung time na yon, I deactivated my Sockmed accounts para ma-avoid ko yung lungkot kasi whenever I see my friends posting about their dates and treats from their boyfriends, I always wonder, did they ask for it? For all those years we've been together, I have been asking for those sweet gestures. Yung ma-flex sa my day, mabigyan ng flowers, chocolates, at mabigyan ng plan dates, and I barely get it. What irks me is that since nagkamotor siya last year, monthly siyang may ina-upgrade and it's worth thousands. Samantalang humivit lang ako ng simpleng fries na pasalubong pagpupunta siya sa amin, nasusungitan pa niya ako. I bring this up to him occasionally pero I think he just takes it as an attack since pera nga naman niya yon. I really love him and I cannot imagine not being with him. But I know I need someone who can reciprocate my level of affection. Yung kind of romance na nakikita ko sa ibang mga couples. I cannot force him to change just because that's what I want from our relationship. Pero nakakapagod din naman na hindi pareho ng energy ang binibigay namin para sa isa't isa. Ngayon, I'm thinking about ending it with him nicely, though a part of me wants to make it work. But will I be happy if I stay pa?